Hello everyone. Our next activity is an AI tool review. Our AI tool is Clasp, YouTube summary with ChatGPT. Clasp, the use YouTube Summary with ChatGPT is an AI-powered browser extension designed to generate quick summaries of YouTube videos using ChatGPT. This tool enables users to extract key insights from a video content without watching the entire video, making it incredibly useful for students, researchers, and content consumers. The primary purpose of this tool is to enhance the productivity by summarizing the long-form video content into concise text. The extension is available for the Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, allowing seamless interaction with YouTube. Clasp is easy to access since it is a free browser extension that can be installed directly from the Chrome Web Store. The user interface is minimalistic and intuitive, displaying summarize button below the YouTube videos. Upon clicking, the tool automatically transcribes and summarizes the video content. The onboarding process is straightforward, requiring users to sign in via Google and install the extension. No additional setup is needed, making it beginner friendly. The core features of Glasp YouTube Summary tool include video transcription, AI generated summaries, timestamp based navigation, and ChatGPT powered insights. Once the extension is activated, it provides an accurate text transcripts of video. Users can copy, save the transcript for later reference. The AI generated summary condenses the content into digestible points, significantly reducing the time needed to grasp the essential information. Customization options are limited, but users can tweak the level of detail in summaries by adjusting the ChatGPT settings. Glass greatly improves efficiency by allowing the users to extract the key insights from long videos in a matter of seconds. This tool is particularly useful for the students reviewing educational lectures, professionals catching up on webinars, and content creators summarizing YouTube discussions. The quality of output is generally high, though the accuracy depends on the clarity of the original video narration. It effectively reduces the note time taking time and enhances the research workflows. One drawback of Glasp is that it does not always work well with videos that lack clear speech and heavy accents. Additionally, it struggles with the videos containing multiple speakers or poor audio quality, which can lead to transcription errors since it relies on ChatGPT. Its summarizes may sometimes miss details or contextual emotions. While the tool is free, advanced features may require premium ChatGPT subscription. Compared to AI video summarization like others, Glasp stands out due to its free accessibility, ChatGPT integration, and timestamped summaries, while some other alternatives offer customization. Glasp remains an excellent choice for the users looking for quick and efficient summaries. Glasp YouTube Summary with ChatGPT is a highly recommended tool for anyone looking to save time while consuming a video content. It is particularly beneficial for students, educators, researchers, and busy professionals. While it has some limitations regarding audio quality dependence and occasional inaccuracies, its user-friendly interface and effectiveness make it valuable addition to anyone productivity toolkit. If rated, Glasp would be 4.5 out of 5. This tool is useful for my research and project development, especially when reviewing technical lectures and programming tutorials or conference talks. By quickly summarizing the video content, it helps me extracting essential information without watching the hours of footage. Given in my involvement in IoT, AI, and other web developments, I found this tool beneficial for efficient learning and note taking. I will continue using it for summarizing lengthy tech talks and tutorials. However, users looking for deeper analysis or highly customized queries might find more value in premium AI summarization tools. Thank you.